Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka lang dito sa aking channel, we are covering home-based job videos, work-from-home opportunities, and nagko-cover din ako ng mga reviews about earning platforms and applications. Kaya naman, if this is something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below, and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka once we upload new videos. So for today guys, may gusto akong share sa inyo na isang way para mas makakuha tayo ng mas mataas na conversion rate with our salary from PayPal. So sa mga freelancers at sa mga nag-work from home na sumasahod through PayPal, I hope this video will help, lalo na kung hindi ka pa aware sa process na to. So in today's video, we will talk about first how you can set up an account with Union Bank. Yan yung gagamitin natin bank na ililink with PayPal. I will also share with you the steps on how you can link your Union Bank to your PayPal account. The last part of the video will talk about paano nga ba tayo makakakuha ng mas mataas na salary conversion or US dollar conversion from PayPal. Ngayon, madali lang naman yung process to register for an account with Union Bank. All you need to do is to download the application. It's available on Play Store, App Store, and App Gallery. Kailangan nyo nang i-provide yung mga personal information, what type of account. Ang maganda dito kay Union Bank, you can create your own savings account without any maintaining balance. You can also request for a physical card, and kapag nag-request ka for a physical card, you will receive that in 5 to 10 business days. Ngayon, kapag nakapag-register ka na with Union Bank, it would take around 1 to 2 weeks to get an approval with them or to get the results of the application. So aside from the personal information, if you fill out nyo, you will need a valid ID. Once you have an account set up with Union Bank, the next step that we need to do is to link yung Union Bank account nyo kay PayPal. Ngayon, mag-share ako ng screen ng aking phone at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba ililink yung ating Union Bank account to PayPal. Open nyo lang si PayPal. Using my phone, i-click ko tong lower right corner wallet. So yan, makikita nyo dito, nakalink na yung aking banks and cards. Just a heads up guys na if you will link it as a bank account, yung Union Bank nyo, hindi natin siya magagamit later on for the salary conversion to a higher conversion. I would suggest adding it as a credit or debit card. Kaya much better na kapag mag-register ka with Union Bank, you can request for a physical card and then you can activate that card. Once nasa yun yung card at na-activate mo na, you can add the card details on your PayPal account. Kasi later, i-ask natin si PayPal to convert the currency of this. Pero kung bank account siya, hindi nila mako-convert yung currency. It needs to be either a credit or a debit card. You just need to click on the plus sign. Tapos, choose debit and credit cards. Ipoprovide mo lang yung card number, expiration date, CVV, and all the details. Once you've added those information, you just need to complete it and automatically ma-add na siya sa account nyo. Punta na tayo dun sa mismong topic natin for today, which is getting a higher conversion rate for our PayPal salary. The first thing that we need to consider is number 1, dapat naka-US dollar yung ating PayPal balance. So, kunyari, ang sinesend sa inyo ni client na payment is directly in pesos na, or if you're using any other currencies, yan, ang gagawin mo lang first is to convert it to US dollars. Pero ganito kasi mangyayari dyan guys. Kung nare-receive nyo na yung pay nyo in pesos or in your country's currency, tapos kung i-convert nyo siya into dollars with PayPal, yung magagamit na conversion is PayPal conversion na, which is relatively low compared to the actual conversion rate. Ngayon, ang ginawa ko kasi from my clients is I asked them if it's okay na isend nila yung salary ko in US dollars na. Kaya yung pumapasok sa akin na salary is naka-US dollars. Kapag naka-US dollars na yung balance mo with PayPal, the next thing na we need to make sure is that yung inad natin na Union Bank account, yung currency niya is in US dollars din. So ngayon, we need to contact PayPal and ask them to convert the currency of the card to US dollars. Papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano natin kukontakin si PayPal to request to change the currency nung Union Bank account na inad natin to dollars. Using the PayPal application, click nyo lang yung profile nyo on the top left corner. And then makikita nyo dyan is Message Center. Click nyo lang. Ito na yung customer service ni PayPal. Click nyo lang dyan yung Ask PayPal Assistant. And then dito, pwede na kayo mag-type ng message nyo. So, kailangan nyo lang gawin guys is to ask them na i-convert yung currency nung card nyo. So, after that, we're all set. We can already get a higher salary conversion with PayPal. So, ngayon papakita ko sa inyo yan. Let's go back to the main page. Yan. Sa dashboard ko, makikita nyo dyan is 52,234 kasi naka-automatic pesos yung dashboard. Pero kung makikita nyo yan, pag kinlik nyo yan, naka-US dollars talaga yung PayPal balance ko. Makikita nyo, $1,051 US dollars. Isang dati ginagawa ko is, tina-transfer ko siya to GCash. So, yan yung exact amount na nakukuha ko, yung 52,234 na yan. Pero let's try this time to transfer it to our Union Bank account. Punta muna tayo kay Union Bank account. Yan, makikita nyo yung balance ko is 5 pesos and 29 cents. Let's try transferring my PayPal balance to my Union Bank account. Let's go to PayPal and then click on balance and then withdraw funds. Then, ito yung sinasabi ko, yung sa bank na yan, yan yung hindi nila mako-convert into US dollars. Pero itong sa mga card types, they can convert this to US dollars. Then next. And then, kunin lang natin yung exact amount, $1,051.24. Click on continue. Then, transfer $1,041 USD now. So, may kita yan, may charge na $10. Pero, mas malaki pa rin yung makuha natin compared dun sa usual conversion ni PayPal. Successful na yung ating fund transfer. Done. Now, let's check dun sa ating Union Bank account kung magkano yung na-receive natin. Let's refresh. So yan, meron tayong 53,423 pesos. Imagine the difference in the amount. Kanina yung pinakita ko sa inyo, that's 52,234. Ngayon ang nakuha ko is 53,423 pesos. So that is, ang difference niya is 1,200. Diba? So medyo malaki yung difference niya at hindi mo basta-basta makukuha yan or mapupulot man kung saan lang. Imagine kung ginamit ko is yung PayPal conversion, then transfer it directly to my bank without doing the steps na sinabi ko kanina or using GCash. Sayang yung 1-2 na hindi ko makukuha, diba? So ito guys, I just wanted to share this with you, lalo na sa mga sumasahod through PayPal. Kasi number 1, sobrang dali lang gumawa ng account kay Union Bank. Sobrang dali lang din mag-request ng physical card na gagamitin nyo nga for higher salary conversion. Number 2 is, sayang yung difference nung salary or nung conversion na pwede nyong makuha. If you wanna get a higher conversion for your PayPal balance, you can also consider following the steps na mga ginawa ko kanina. And if you have any questions, just feel free to comment below and I'll try my best to answer all of your questions as soon as I can. So, ayan lang muna yung video natin for today, guys. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, click mo na yung subscribe button and yung notification bell para updated ka sa ating bagong uploads. So, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I'll see you again in our next video. Bye!